Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Tuesday. Today's 30th. Today's the 30th, right? Oh, I don't even know what day I live in. Today's the 30th. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, and there's a lot going on today. Today's Tuesday. No, today's not Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday the 30th. There you go. Today is Wednesday. Yeah. Today is Wednesday the 30th. And okay, so I have a big chore to do. And they leave the chore to the person that does not know how to cook. I don't know how they do that. But I have to make the carne. I have to make the meat for the tamales. Right now I have the chile California on the stove. We are gonna make tamales de rajas. I need to peel these and boil them. My mom's calling. Let me bring down an olla from up there that I have to do. I don't know if you guys have this, but you always, there's always ollas on top. And I need to bring that one down. That's it. Okay. Come along with me. This is what happens when you're a stay-at-home daughter. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this off so that I can put in water so it can become soft. Okay, so I am going to start peeling these really quick. I'm done peeling all of the tomatillos. Now I have to put in the, so I'm going to open these. I'm gonna rip them out. It's so nasty. Just gonna separate them. Wow, I thought that I was recording, but I guess not. So I'm gonna tell you what I did. I already have all of the 3 hojas in there soaking up some water. And then right now I'm just going to wash the meat for the tamales. I have the chile California already cooking. So mom's going to make tamales rojos de puerco. She's also going to make tamales de dulce. Also tamales de rajas. I don't like tamales de rajas. I like the puerco de dulce and the pollo verde, but we're not making those. We really don't make pollo verde. Only if like somebody else makes them and like they give us them, I'll eat them. Yeah, so my mom's going to make birria de chivo. It's really good. It's like the dry birria. I don't know how many pounds this is. It's 12 pounds. 12 pounds of pork. I don't even know who sings that song, but I always hear it on TikTok. I have the meat cooking, I have the tomatillos cooking, and I have the Chile California cooking. So I am hanging in there. Wish me luck. So now I have to take stuff on top on the meat, and I have to dump that out. Why am I struggling? Why am I struggling with a spoon when I could just do it with one of these? Welcome back to another video. Let me just switch the battery out. I'll be right back. My hair looks like a hot mess, but whatever. I'm gonna get that fixed right now. I don't know if you guys can hear my phone buzzing, but anyways, today is the 30th. No, today's the 31st. Oh my god, I always forget what day I live in. But I'm just kind of getting ready, I guess. Just gonna wear something very minimal. I'm not going really drastic with my makeup. I'm not going drastic when I'm over here caking my face. Yeah, so it is the end of 2020. I am so happy, but at the same time I'm really worried and scared for the new year to come. I don't know what to expect. Well, I do know what to expect, but I hope this year that's coming, I hope it's way better than 2020. I'm not even going all out on my outfit this year. Well, I never really go out on my outfits when it's New Year's. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush, not so much, just I want some Starbucks. Really bad right now, really bad. Should I add a highlighter? I said I was only going for a little bit, but here I am adding everything. Yeah, why not? It is New Year's, right? Let's at least shine. Shine for Corona. I'm not going like crazy with my outfit or my makeup. Look, this is my outfit. It's this long sleeve top, some leggings. That's it. Like, I'm not trying to do much. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my phone is like buzzing. Hold on. $16 messages. Who does that? 22 messages. Oh my god. My niece is saying, she's like, Janet, take me to the store right now. If you don't, I'm gonna pull up. I'm craving some Takis right now. You have a whole phone but can't even respond. Did you mute me? That's crusty energy right there. I don't like crusty energy. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. I need to hide these because my niece comes and she love her to death, but she'll come in and touch things. But she, like, she'll break things. That's what. This is not cheap. She'll just come and, like, she'll see the beauty blender and she'll come and, like, touch up her face. She's so cute. We're going to play loteria. We're gonna get that money, that stimulus that I still haven't gotten Trump. I'm kidding. But yeah, we're just gonna spend time with family. Yeah, I think that's all. That's all I honestly care. Like, I just want my family to be safe. I want my family to be healthy, to live another year. I know a lot of people have passed away and lost their loved ones, and I've also had family that has had COVID, but I'm very lucky and fortunate and very blessed for them to be okay. But yeah, I just wish everybody to be safe and take care of themselves, and also be precautious for other people who are at risk of COVID. So please, you guys, just stay at home if you need to, but always wear your mask and always protect others, because that other person could be your family member. So yeah, just protect yourself, always wear your mask, take your precautions, and yeah. So I hope you guys have a wonderful time with your loved ones, and may this year bring us many blessings and so many great things that God has in store for us. And yeah, I will hopefully try to vlog a little bit more, maybe. I don't know, I always say that but I don't end up vlogging. And comment down below what videos you guys want me to post for 2021, this year that's coming. And yeah, I want everybody to be safe and have a great time and make this year count. I know last year, I'm talking about 2020, 2020 was a horrible year, but I hope this year we can and stay close to our loved ones, and honestly appreciate one another, appreciate the family and the friends that you surround yourself with, because people just like in a matter of seconds. But yeah, so make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys can keep up with the videos, and take care. Bye. Bye guys.